So today's lesson is all about illustrating quadratic inequalities. Okay, so what are quadratic inequalities? A quadratic inequality in one variable is an inequality that contains a polynomial of degree 2 and can be written in any of the following forms. So you have ax squared plus bx plus c is greater than 0. Ax squared plus bx plus c is less than 0. Ax squared plus bx plus c is greater than or equal to 0. And ax squared plus bx plus c is less than or equal to 0. Now notice that the polynomial on the left side of the inequality is of degree 2, meaning the highest exponent is 2. They have inequality symbols like greater than, so we have less than, greater than or equal to, and less than or equal to. Now, which among these represents quadratic inequalities? So take note that a quadratic inequality in one variable is an inequality that contains a polynomial of degree 2, meaning the highest exponent is 2. Okay, and it contains the inequality symbols like greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, and less than or equal to. You have 2x squared plus 5x minus 4 is greater than 0. Okay, so let's check. The highest exponent is 2, check, and it has an inequality symbol greater than. So this is a quadratic inequality. Next, we have m squared plus 3m is less than 6. The highest exponent is 2. Check. It uses inequality symbol. Check. So therefore, it is a quadratic inequality. Next, we have x squared minus 9x plus 10 is equal to 0. The highest exponent is 2. Check. Is there an inequality symbol? Okay, so we cannot find an inequality symbol. Therefore, this is not a quadratic inequality. Next, we have 8x plus 4 is less than or equal to 2. So it doesn't have a degree 2, or it doesn't have the highest exponent 2, although it contains inequality symbol less than or equal to, but the highest exponent is not 2. Therefore, this is not a quadratic inequality. So let us determine whether the point is a solution or not a solution. So let's say we have r squared minus 3r is less than 6. So we are going to check if the point r is equal to 2 is a solution or not a solution. All you have to do is to substitute the value of 2 in place of r, or in place of the variable r, using the inequality r squared minus 3r is less than 6. We are going to change the value of r into 2. So it will become 2 raised to 2 minus 3 times 2 is less than 6. Then we are going to solve first 2 raised to 2. Okay, so that is equal to 4, and then minus 3 times 2, that is equal to 6, is less than 6. So we are going to solve the left side of the inequality. 4 minus 6, we have negative 2 is less than 6. Now, since the result negative 2 is less than 6 is correct. It's correct, right? Negative 2 is less than 6. Okay, so therefore the point r is equal to 2 is a solution. Okay. Next, we have x squared minus 9x plus 10 is greater than 0 using the point x is equal to 3. So we are going to change all the variables x with 3. So that is 3 squared minus 9 times 3 plus 10 is greater than 0. Okay. Then we are going to solve 3 squared first, or 3 raised to 2, that is 9. Minus 9 times 3 is 27 plus 10 is greater than 0. Then we are going to solve for 9 minus 27 first, that is negative 18 plus 10 is greater than 0. Negative 18 plus 10 is equal to negative 8 is greater than 0. Now, since the result negative 8 is greater than 0 is incorrect, it's not correct. Okay? Because negative 8 supposedly is less than 0. Okay? So, therefore, the point x is equal to 3 is not a solution. Okay? That's all for today. See you in our next lesson.